Uliza Meli Mokolino, Meli unataka kupotea? Na you are chewing in the church. Enda pale utupe nje. It is wrong and it is bad manners to chew in the church. Umetupa? Enda pale utupe. Nimekupea ruhusa. Amemeza. Ambia mwenzako 2 bad manners in the church.
Bad manners.
Number one.
Using
your mobile phone.
Using your mobile phone.
When the minister is ministering.
When the minister is ministering.
Number two.
Chewing
in the church.
Chewing in the church
is disrespect.
Disrespect.
Mwambie kama sio meza ya Bwana.
Kama sio meza ya Bwana.
Wacha kutafuna. Praise the name of the Lord. Amen.
Amen.
I said ibada haitakatika.